All right, empty pallets here because we've got ourselves a new Mayflower tire changer and balancer combo. And this is the bigger units. And they weren't lying when they said they were heavy. So I've got a couple Harbor Freight moving dollies there that were about the right height to pick it up from the pallet to switch over to these. I'm a bigger guy, but if you've got some good sized friends, it'll be no big deal. Alright, there you can see the ridiculous fitting that comes on this thing for the air inlet to the regulator on the machine. I'm not exactly sure what style of fitting that would require, a coupler rather, and it's a really funky O-ring boss thread there. I'm not entirely sure what size that is. I think it's 18 threads per inch, but I'm not really sure. It's just a mess. So we're going to see if we can modify this thing. Alright, not sure how visible this is, but the part number, or at least what it says on the regulator here, is OFRA Mini, the old Forward brand, I guess. And I'm thinking, I mean, it's the same thread pitch for 1/8, quarter NPT, and the fitting that's on there. So I'm going to pull this piece off, and we're going to see if we can just tap this thing for 1/4 inch NPT. I bet it'll work out really well. Alright, pretty easy to cut the new threads there. Again, it was already 18 TPI, so I just threaded it for 1/4 18 NPT, and now we're all set. Alright, there is my Milton style coupler installed. A little messy. Put a little RTB on there in case that O-ring had trouble after I threaded the piece. And then I also went ahead and put a lot of Teflon tape on there. The size is just enough to where you could, I think, reliably get this to work. And alright, we're still in the testing phases here of the setup and how I like all the machines in the position. But converting that thread to NPT from the funky 18 threads per inch, whatever it was, I think it was 7/16 18. So whatever. Anyway, it works great, not leaking. So really enjoying that.